Assalamu alaikum folks, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Ayaz Haider. You're watching the YouTube channel Mr. Cryptoearn. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create your own app HYIP site. So the demo of the HYIP site you can see in front of your eyes. Let's go to the registration section, register ourselves and account. So let's give the phone number as a random figure, the email ID as a random figure followed by @gmail.com and the password as the phone number and confirm it as the phone number. Let's go to continue, and now it's prompting us to click on activate now. Let's decline this. Now let's click on activate now, and once we do that, the website, the user account is ready. And now let's click on cross, and this is all of the information which is given to the dashboard. Here you can click on recharge, you can withdraw, you can click on team, and you can also get the sport. And these are some of the banners which you can see, and these are the investment plans. You can also go to the project and you can see those projects which you have currently invested in. If you go to the deposit, you are going to select a recharge sections channels such as USDT. Let's enter amount as 100 USD, and once we click on continue, it's going to give us USDT address which we need to send the payment to. And as you can see, there is a $2 USDT fee for the approval. And then once we do it, we are going to choose a screenshot, and then we are going to do that. And going to the team, here you can those people who you have invited. But as you can see, this is a fresh account, so it's giving me everything else. And this is the profile section, and here you can get the bill, change password, you can see the team, you can get the customer service, download the applications, log out, recharge, withdraw, and invite. Here you can see a quick summary of your account, the deposit wallet, interest wallet, and the total withdrawal. So let's hop to how we can create this site. So as far the installing of the site is concerned, we are going to our cPanel, and now we are going to search for file manager. And now let's click on file manager and open it. Now once we do that, we are going to go to the public_HTML folder, and now let's click on upload. Clicking on upload, we are going to select the script file of the website. So this download link or the buy link of this script will also be given to you in the description below. If you want to buy this script, then you can check it out from the link in the description below. And I believe that this script is also very good, and it has a good design, and it's a bit expensive and it's not for starters, but I'll suggest someone, if they can afford, then they surely go with this script. So I'll see you guys when the script is uploaded. So as you can see, the script file has been uploaded. Now we're going to click on go back. And now once that's done, we're going to extract the script file into the public_HTML directory. And now once the file has been extracted, let's click on close. And now let's delete the 5G zip file, as we do not need it anymore. Now once we refresh our domain, it's giving us a 500 server error. So let's type /install in front of the domain, and that will redirect us to the VisorLab easy installer. So you can read the terms of use if you want to by pausing this video, but I already know what I need, so I'll click on I agree and continue to the next step. And as you can see, all of these permissions have been checked pass. Only one is left, and that is you allow URL F open. And now I'll check it, and I'll complete this requirement, and I'll see you after. And now once we hit on recheck, the requirements are all check pass, and now let's click on next step. And this is the part of the site which we are going to give all of the information, such as the website URL, the database details, and also the admin credentials. So let's create the database off camera, and now I'm not going to show you how to create the database because I have already shown it in almost all of my previous videos. So let me fill all of these credentials and I'll see you after. Once you have given all of the required information, now we're going to click on install now. As you can see, it says that your system has been successfully installed. Please delete the install folder from the server. So let's go back to the file manager, and now we're going to delete the install folder. Click on confirm, and with that our website is ready. Let's go to the Go website and activate, and as you can see, the website has been successfully installed. If I show you on the mobile interface, then it looks something like this. Let's go to the admin panel and I'll show you as the panel of the site. Let's log in as admin, and this is the script. It's giving me a cron job. Let's do it. And now firstly let's do the cron job, and then we'll focus on everything else. So let's go to the cPanel and search for cron jobs. Now once we go to the cron jobs, let's go to the common settings and give once per minute, and now we're going to paste the cron command, and now let's click on add new cron job. And as you can see, the cron job command has been successfully added. So that's all for what we need to do. So this is the dashboard of this website, and as you can see that the dashboard is similar to the script which I showed you earlier in the previous video, in my last video. So this is because they are both based on a similar script. The design is changed, the other functionalities are same. So that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, then please consider giving this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, it's Allah Hafiz.